First of all, you definitely need to remove this bag. Similarly, you also need to remove the seat. If you don't need to replace the seat, you can just unscrew the front screw, and there's no need to touch the back. However, if you want to replace it together, then we should remove the seat. Then, to make installation easier, you should also remove the battery. At this point, we've removed quite a bit. Then there's another screw here. At this point, the bike can be taken down. Before putting it back on, let's first connect these three together. These three, let me see. Tie them together. If it's a bit tight, you can bend it outward a little. Align this notch towards the back and then dig a groove from the top down with this small side. Pay attention to this distance. If you get it wrong, you won't be able to install it later. Yes, it's in this direction. First, just put the screws in place without tightening them. And finish. Once everything is set up, use one hand, tighten it a little bit. Using power tools, demonstrate more. Now let's put it in place. It's already large enough fitted in. After fitting it in, there's an opening at the bottom. Let's also put these two screws in place, but don't rush to tighten them yet. After we put it in place, take out this long strip, and at this position, use your hand to bend it a bit to form a flared shape. This way, it will be easier to install and secure it. Similarly, with the small board, first put in the screws on this side, then use the triangle below to press against the air conditioner above. Don't rush. I can't give it. If I do, it will also affect this side. Pull it out. Then put it down for a moment. You need to see the top. Align this hole in the middle. Either the first or second hole is fine. Also attach this hole, but don't tighten all the screws yet. After attaching them all, start from the bottom, the two screws at the very bottom, and begin securing upwards. Let's pay attention to this screw, these two screws. This production doesn't know that one can have an adjustable wrench. Pull it back as much as possible, push it back. Flatten it. On that side, also pull it back in the same way. Keep it basically at the final position. Secure the base, and then push this position as much as possible. Then tighten the front part of this screw, and basically the installation of this mech is complete. And then we'll talk about the second half. These two pieces. One is long and one is short. Try placing this on the side of the car lift with the notch facing upwards. And this side is placed in another position with the opening also facing up. In this direction. All right, let's start by installing this. After unscrewing it, align this position with the hole and spray it in, using a wrench to hold one of the screws. Align it with the hole. Tighten it. This side is now installed, then move to the other direction. On this side, there's an additional small part. This small part is used to block the chain. We must ensure that whether or not we install the armor, this part should always be on the outside, in the upper position. The sequence is the armor, then this part, and then the chain guard. The same goes for the pedal. Check the sequence, armor, chain guard, then at this, in the same way, pressing it at this point. The armor part is now completely installed